जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी। गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। यशोदानंदन व्रज जनरंजन। यशोदानंदन व्रज जनरंजन। जमुना तीर वनचारी। जमुना तीर वनचारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी। गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। यशोदानंदन व्रज जनरंजन। जमुना तीर वनचारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी। गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। यशोदानंदन व्रज जनरंजन। जमुना तीर वनचारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद। श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। जय श्री कृष्ण। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा जय कृष्णा बलराम जय कृष्णा बलराम कृष्ण बलराम जय कृष्णा बलराम जय ललिता विशाखा जय राधे श्याम ललिता विशाखा जय राधे श्याम जय गौरनीताय 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 जय गौरनीताय प्रभुपाद 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 जय विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य अष्टोत्तर शतशी श्रीमद डिवाइन ग्रेस अभय चरणारविंद भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी शिल प्रभुपाद की जय। इस्कॉन फाउंडर आचार्य बीबीटी फाउंडर आचार्य डिवाइन ग्रेस शिल प्रभुपाद की जय। जय ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य अष्टोत्तर शतशी श्रीमद भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी शिल प्रभुपाद की जय। अनंत कोटि वैष्णव भक्तवृंद की जय। नामाचार्य श्री हरिदास ठाकुर की जय। प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद की जय। राधा कृष्ण गोपी गोपीनाथ राधा कुंड श्यामा कुंड गिरि गोवर्धन की जय। मथुरा वृंदावन धाम की जय। नवद्वीप मायापुर धाम की जय। पुरुषोत्तम क्षेत्र जगन्नाथपुरी धाम की जय। गंगा मैया की जय। जमुना मैया की जय। श्री श्री कृष्ण बलराम की जय। श्री श्री राधा श्यामा सुंदर ललिता विशाखा देवी की जय। श्री श्री गौरनिताय की जय। गिरि गोवर्धन की जय। शील प्रभुपाद की जय। ऑल ग्लोरी टू असेंबली ऑफ डिवोटीज। ऑल ग्लोरी टू असेंबली ऑफ डिवोटीज। ऑल ग्लोरी टू असेंबली ऑफ डिवोटीज। श्री गुरु श्री गौरांग हरे कृष्ण। वर्स 20 ना। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमः भगवते वासुदेवाय। नमः भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया। भगवते उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी। कृष्णसुधामुपगते धर्म ज्ञानादिभिः सह कलौ नष्टदृशामेष पुराणार्कधुना उदितः। Reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th Canto, Chapter 25, Krishna leaps Govardhana Hill. Text 20. Atha aho Bhagavan Gopan he Amba तात ब्रजौकसः यथोपजोषं विशत गिरिगर्तं सगोधनः। अथाह भगवान् गोपान् हे अम्ब तात व्रजौकसः यथोपयसं विशत्य गिरिगर्तं सगोधनः। अथाह भगवान् गोपान् हे अम्ब तात व्रजौकसः यथोपयसं विशत गिरिगर्तं सगोधनः। अथाह भगवान् गोपान् हे अम्ब तात व्रजौकसः यथोपजोषं विशत गिरिगर्तं सगोधनः। हे अम्ब तात व्रजौकसः यथोपजसं विशत गिरिगर्तं सगोधनः। अथाहो भगवान् गोपान् हे अम्ब तात व्रजौकसः यथोपजसं विशत माताएं, word meaning. Atha, then, aho, addressed. Bhagavan, the Supreme Lord. Gopal, the cowards. He, O, Amba, mother. Tata, O father. Brajo Kasaha, O residents of Braja. Yatha Upajosam, as suits your pleasure. Visata, please enter. Giri, this hill. Gartam, the empty space below. Sagodhana, together with your cows. Translation and purport by the disciples of Srila Prabhupada. Translation. The Lord then addressed the cowherd community, O mother, O father, O residents of Braja, if you wish, you may now come under this hill with your cows. Please repeat. The Lord then addressed the cowherd community, O mother, O father, O residents of Braja, if you wish, you may now come under this hill with your cows. Purport. Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur provides the following insight in this regard. Ordinarily, a large cowherd community, which included many thousands of cows, calves, bulls, and so on, could not fit under the base of a medium-sized hill like Sri Govardhan. However, because the hill was in ecstasy, being tossed by the hand of Supreme Personality of Godhead, it acquired inconceivable power and even felt the hundreds of deadly thunderbolts thrown upon its back by angry Indra to be offering of soft, fragrant flowers. At times, Sri Govardhan was not even aware that the thunderbolts were striking. From the Harivamsa, the Acharya has also quoted Sri Krishna himself as saying, Troilokyam api usahate rakhitum kim punar brajam. Sri Govardhana can give shelter to all the three worlds. What to speak of simple land of Braja? when Indra's attack began, and Krishna lifted the hill, the deer, wild hogs, and other animals and birds, standing on the hill's trunks, climbed up to its peaks, and even they did not experience the slightest distress. Hare Krishna. Om Ajnanatimirandhasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chakshurunmilitam Jena Tasmai Sri Guruhe Namaha. Sri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Jena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamayam Dadati Sopadantikam Vande Aham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Sri Gurun Vaishnavamscha Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunathanitam Tang Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Sri Visakha Nitangscha Namo Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamin Iti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Sunyavadi Paschatya Desatarine Namo Mahavadanyaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namine Gauratise Namaha. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopesa Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanu Sute Devi Pranamami Hari Priya Pancha Kalpatarubhyascha Kripa Sindhu Bhevacha Patitanang Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. अथाहो भगवान गोपान हे अम्ब तातः व्रजौकस यथोपजसम विशत गिरिगर्तम सगोधना. The Lord then addressed the cowherd community, O mother, O father, O residents of Braja, if you wish, you may now come under this hill with your cows. Hare Krishna. So this Govardhan Lila, that Govardhan, the Krishna lifts the Govardhan hill, I have already heard from many devotees. So when Krishna, seeing the inhabitants of Sri Gokula rendered practically unconscious by onslaught of hail and blasting wind, the Supreme Lord Hari understood that this was the work of angry Indra. So Sri Krishna, he said to himself, because we have stopped his sacrifice, Indra has caused this unusually fierce, unreasonable rain together with terrible wind and hail. Then Krishna decided, by my mystic power, I will completely counteract this disturbance caused by Indra. Demigods like Indra are proud of their opulence, and out of foolishness, they falsely consider themselves the Lord of the universe. I will now destroy such ignorance. So Lord himself talking within, and then he decided then how to protect the Brajavasis, including their domestic animals like cows and bulls and other animals. Then Lord himself thought about lifting Govardhan hill. I must therefore protect the cowherd community by my transcendental potency, for I am their shelter. I am their master. And indeed, they are my own family member. After all, I have taken a vow to protect my devotees. So, generally, the devotees are very dear to Krishna. Just like we see in 9th canto also, Narayana told to Durvasa, Sadhava hrudaya mayang, sadhunang hrudayatu aham, mat anyate na jananti nahang tebhya managapi. The devotees, the saintly persons, they always reside within my heart, and I am also always reside in their heart. So my devotee did not know anything except me, and I myself did not know anything except my devotees. So that's why though they are here we see both are devotee, Indra is also a devotee, not in the same platform of the Brajavasis, but the Brajavasis are the topmost devotees. So, seeing in danger the Brajavasis, so Krishna decided to protect the Brajavasi not by killing Indra, but to teach a lesson to Indra. Janma Aisarya Suta Sivir Edamana Madhapuman. Because Indra is the king of demigods, he is very proud. With time he becomes proud, and he is thinking, though he himself, along with Brahma and Shiva, to protect the demigods, they went to the bank of the shore of milk ocean, and they prayed the Lord to advent or to appear in this material world. Indra knows all these things, but still, because of false pride and false prestige, false ego, now he forgot everything. Become very angry. Because when one becomes angry, krodhat bhavati sammoho. Sammohat shruti vibhrama. Shruti vangsat buddhinasa. Buddhinasat pranasyanti. That happened to Indra. He became very extremely angry. Then he became completely bewildered. He forgot the position of Krishna and what is the position of his position. He simply thinking Krishna as a simple, ordinary village boy, and thinking he want to take a revenge. So Krishna, seeing the situation, he decided to protect the Brajavasis. So he lifted Govardhan hill. So here is in Ananda Vrindavan Champu, Kavi Karnapur Thakur is telling, so whether Krishna lifted the Govardhan hill or Govardhan hill by his own sweet will just stay in the on the over hand of left hand of Krishna. What is the identity of the both? We know that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Ishvara Parama Krishna, Sachidananda Vigraha, Anadir, Adir, Govinda, Sarva Karana, Karanam. But what is the identity of Govardhan? They are different. Identity. Govardhan is, even when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave a Govardhan Sila to whom? Raghunath Das Goswami, being pleased with his renunciation, and he asked him to worship this Sila. Prabhu kahe ei Sila Krishnera Vigraha Ihara Seva Karo Tumi Kariya Graha. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu instructed this Govardhan Sila is non-different from Krishna. So you must, with much eagerness and faith, you must worship this stone. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu handed this Govardhan Shila and also Gunja Mala to Raghunath Das Goswami. Then he told, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu instructed to worship this as good as Krishna. He is Krishna himself. But same time we will see in 10th canto Bhagavatam 21 chapter verse 18, when the Braja Gopis, they are just walking in the foot of Govardhan hill, they are glorifying Govardhan. Hantayam adriyavala haridasa varjya yat Rama Krishna charana sparsha pramodah manam tanoti saha goganayo stayo yat pani asuya vasakandara kandamulai. So gopis, they are telling, oh, look, this hill, this Govardhan, talking to another, which gopis among themselves. One gopi addressing the other gopi as Abala, and he is telling that he is Haridasa Varjya. This Govardhan hill is the greatest among the all Haridasa, all the servants of Lord Hari. Though we see in Srimad Bhagavatam there is mentioned the three personalities as Haridas: Govardhan and Uddhava and Yudhishthira Maharaj. And two other names were mentioned in Padma Purana, Narada Muni and Hanuman. But among these five, Haridasa Varjya, a great servant of Lord Krishna, Giridas is, unless Giriraj, the Govardhan hill is the topmost. So, Gopi is telling that Haridasa Varjya, addressing the Govardhan as Haridasa Varjya. So, what will decide whether he is Haridasa Varjya, he is a pure devotee, topmost devotee of Krishna, or he is Krishna himself? Krishna told also to Brajavasis to worship this Govardhan hill. He established the worship of Govardhan hill, and he himself transferred in Govardhan Puja, he himself in huge form as Govardhan. And he accepted all the offerings of the Brajavasis. In this way, we can see Krishna also prove that he is Govardhan himself. In Braja, we see three special hills: this Govardhan, the Nandiswar in Nandagaon, and also Barsana hill. So Mathura Mahatma told this Govardhan hill is representing Vishnu, and Barsana hill is representing Brahma, and Nandiswar, Nandagaon, is representing Lord Shiva himself. So in one sense, Govardhan is Lord Vishnu, because Govardhan is Vishnu and Manasi Ganga is just flowing in the feet of Govardhan. Just like Vishnu's feet, there is Ganga. So in this way we can see Govardhan is non-different from Krishna. So Govardhan is non-different from Krishna. So when Krishna decided to just lift the Govardhan hill, so Govardhan hill also is not a dry matter or something. He is also a person. So he just come, knowing that in mind of Krishna, that Krishna wanted to need his help. So Govardhan, by his own sweet will, just fly up to the hand of Krishna. Krishna just lifting in left hand. Mentioned in Harivamsa and other places, he lifted Govardhan hill with the help of his left hand. So this is the position of Govardhan and Krishna. And here is in purport we see that the quoting that Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur is telling, this is ordinary, this is like a medium-sized hill, Govardhan. But because when Krishna touched that hill, and when Govardhan knows that I have to serve, get the chance to serve Krishna, then immediately expanded. just expanded. So it became expanded up to 32 miles. So now all the Brajavasis, and including Nanda, Jasoda, and including their cows, only Nanda Maharaj had how many cows? 9 lakh. Then other Gopas, and they have also their cows. Even they're all Brajavasis is there, including also Brusavanu. Brusavanu even more cows than Nanda Maharaj, yet 12 lakh. So all these cows and all these Brajavasis, they come underneath the Govardhan hill. But here is in the verse, Atha Bhagavan Gopan He Amba Tata Brajavakas. The Krishna is calling all this after lifting the Govardhan hill. When hill was just on the left, he's holding in his left hand. And then there is a great space for all these Brajavasis to stay underneath that Govardhan hill. Then he asking, come, Amba, O mother and father, Tata. There's a Amba and Tata means his Nanda Maharaj, because Nanda Maharaj is the king of Brajavasis. He is the king of Braja. And he addressing all other Brajavasis also. Please come underneath this Govardhan hill. But he is not forcing them. If you like, he told, if you like, you come and take rest under this Govardhan hill. So, O mother, O father, O residents of Braja, if you wish, you may now come under this hill with your cows. So we see how Brajavasis have faith on Krishna. He's a 7 years old boy and he's lifted a mountain in left hand like this. Why Krishna just lifted in left hand? Because Mother Jasoda and the Nanda, they may think that, oh, he's become very tired by lifting this hill. No, that's why to show them that it is not a great thing for me. I am just lifting in left hand. Anything can. Very insignificant thing for me. Just in left hand. And then asking them to come underneath it. But the Brajavasis, they are all looking to Nanda Maharaj, and Nanda Maharaj, remember the words of Gargamuni. Narayana Sama is this boy, when he was giving the name of Namakarana ceremony, when there is a name giving ceremony, then Gargamuni was telling about Krishna. Narayana Sama Gunai. This boy has the same potency of Lord Narayana. Actually, Samacharya told, Gargacharya want to tell that Narayana is getting all his powers from Krishna. Krishna is the Adi Vishnu, and he is even in the source of Narayana. But anyhow, ordinarily we see that Narayana Samagunai. He is as good as Narayana. So that's why they have Nanda Maharaj has no doubt about the supreme potency of Krishna. So he just, he decided to come underneath this Govardhan hill. Then when just Nanda Maharaj marched to underneath the Govardhan hill, then all the Brajavasis, they follow his footsteps because he was king. Then they come underneath that Govardhan hill. So that's why here Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur is telling that because Govardhan become very ecstatic, being tossed by Lord Sri Krishna. So that's why it not only just expand just widely or in a length, but it also expand in height. Even Govardhan even cross the clouds. It goes up cloud, above cloud. So that's why the forest animals, they're just like deer, the wild hogs, and other animals, even the lions, tigers, that time they were also there. they come at the top of the hill, because it is remain higher than this cloud. So this cloud, the raining is coming down, but they goes up of the cloud. So they are very happily staying there. They climbed up to its peaks, and even they did not experience the slightest distress. The animals are there. So in this way, another thing is about Govardhan is this mentioned in Harivamsa, that Acharya is telling that the Krishna himself saying, Trailokyam api utsahate rakhitum kim punar brajam. This Govardhan can give shelter to all the three worlds. Three worlds. What to speak of the simple, this Braja. So Govardhan can give shelter to three worlds. Who can give shelter to three worlds? Krishna can give shelter to three worlds. So Govardhan is also equal potency. If Govardhan can give shelter to entire world, what to speak about this Braja? So that's why we can see the Govardhan is not an ordinary mountain. Not ordinary mountain, though we are getting so many stories that Govardhan just appeared in this material world as a son of Dronachala Parvat. But before that, Govardhan come not from this material world. He come from Goloka Vrindavan. In Goloka Vrindavan, Govardhan is known as Satasringa mountain. But here we in this planet we know as Govardhan. He was born as the son of Dronachala mountain. So, because Radharani wanted that the Govardhan and Jamuna and all, they should come to this earth planet. In the past time, Krishna requested Radharani to appear in this earth planet. Then she told, if there is Govardhan, there will be Jamuna, and all these the internal associates, they can come. So that's why Govardhan is not from this material world. Come from Goloka Vrindavan. So Krishna and Krishna's dham and all they are not different. Aradhya Bhagavan Brajesha Tanaya Tadhama Vrindavanam Ramya Kachid Upasana Prajavadhu Varagena Jakalpita Srimad Bhagavatam Pramanam Amalam Prema Pumartha Mahan Chaitanya Mahaprabhur Matamidam Tatra Dara Naparaha. As Krishna is worshipable for us, equally his pastime places, this Vrindavan Dham, this Govardhan is also worshipable. They are non-different from Krishna. So that's why Krishna just lifted Govardhan hill. He asking all the Brajavasis, including Nanda Maharaj and Jasoda, if you wish, you may now come under the hill with your cows. So they are also in top grade of devotees. They have full faith on Krishna. They remember, Nanda Maharaj remembered the words of Gargamuni. Rather, you can see the symptoms of a surrendered soul, who is surrendered completely to Krishna. Danya Atma Nivedana Gotrute Varana Avasya Rakhive Krishna Vishwasa Palana. Avasya Rakhive Krishna Vishwasa Palana. Bhakti Anukula Matra Kajyar Svikar Bhakti Pratikula Bhava Varjanankika. Anukulyetu Sankalpa Pratikulyetu Varjanam Krishna Rakhyati iti Vishwas Gotrupte Varanam Tatha. Atma Nikhepa Karpanye Sarvidha Saranagati. So all these 6 symptoms you can see, they are in a full extent with the Brajavasis. They completely surrendered to Krishna. Whatever Krishna says, they follow. Krishna told them to stop Indra's worship, they stopped. They did not pay, what will be the consequences, they did not think of all these things. They completely surrendered to Krishna and they have full faith on the words of Krishna. That's why they are topmost devotee. We did not find, and if we can think, if such was situation, How can we, even the devotees cannot go inside. A 7-year-old boy was holding this mountain, and any time the mountain may fall down from his hand. Because then Krishna convinced the Brajavasi in next verse, don't worry, this mountain could not fall down from my hand. So anyhow, in this way, we can see that how Krishna now finally lifted the Govardhan hill. Govardhan is situated on the left palm of Krishna, and he is asking all the Brajavasis, including Nanda and Jasoda, come inside. So, if this was the situation for an ordinary people, they may not go, but they have no other alternative also, because there is heavy raining was going on. Indra is heavy raining, and there is also thunderbolts is attacked with also his thunderbolts, and cold wind, heavy winds is there. In some Purana it is mentioned that actually there is a top of the Govardhan hill, there is also Sudarshan was also moving. So whatever the rain Indra was raining, that is just put on Sudarshan, they are just evaporate, just goes. And some waters, they may be falling down by side is coming to the hill. By Krishna's Yogamaya potency, by supreme arrangement, there is a draining system. All the waters, they are coming like in a drain, and they not dropping everywhere, just one place coming, and they are dropping in a huge amount. And then Krishna arranged another personality to sit down there and open his mouth and drink all the waters. Who is that? Agastya Muni. One time Agastya Muni, he drank all these ocean waters, make the 7 oceans empty. Still his thirsty was not come down. He was still feeling thirsty. So Krishna told, okay, time will come. I will give you water. As much water you can eat. So now Lord Krishna remembered to Agastya Muni. So Agastya Muni came, and he also sitting there. So whole water, all the waters coming around the Govardhan hill and coming just falling in one place, and Agastya Muni just sitting and very peacefully and happily he just drinking all the waters. So that's why there is no question of any water just inundate the Braja, that Indra's plan. So then we can see that how Indra come to his senses. What he, after a long, he attacked with such a samvartaka, clouds came. They generally they function at the time of devastation, universal devastation there. But now Indra called them. Then Indra saw that what is going on, and seeing this unusual mystic power of Krishna, that how he lifted the Govardhan hill, how whatever is raining, he is not going, and this thunderbolts, he just attacking with the thunderbolt, but he has mentioned that Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur is telling, it is just, Govardhan is not disturbed by that. Govardhan was so ecstatic, he was thinking just like someone throwing some rose flowers on him. So like this, just like Haridas Thakur, when he was beaten in 22 marketplaces, he was not suffering, because he was protected by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So in Mahaprakash Lila, Sivasangani, he saw how. Similarly here we see how Govardhan also protected by Krishna. He is not different from Krishna, and same time he is also protected by Krishna. So Govardhan is not not different from Krishna. Sometimes we can see it is Achintya Vedavada. He's Krishna, and he's not Krishna, he is also Haridasa Varjya. As according to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu advice, you can worship him as Krishna, and according following the gopis' footprints, we can worship him as Haridasa Varjya, as a Vaishnava, topmost servant of Krishna. I stop here. So any question or comment? Yes. Why? Dwarka. His question is, if Krishna is loving so much to Radha, then why he went to Dwarka? So, because to increase the love of Radharani to more and more and more and more, to higher extent. When we remember someone, when husband and wife, they stay in a house, and husband may be served in a distant place, he is doing some job. So when the husband is in a distant place doing a job, then the wife remember the husband more. Husband also remember the wife more. So this is called vipralambha, love in separation. This is higher than sambhog, when they are meeting together. So to increase their feelings, their love, so this was arranged. Okay. So any other question? Yes, Maharaj. I don't know. I can answer your question.
You were mentioning that Indra was seeing Krishna as an ordinary boy, coward boy. But the coward boys themselves also see it as an ordinary coward boy.
Yes.
Both are Navila Shakti. Could you explain that?
Coward boys and Krishna, they have relation. So both they are thinking, what the coward boy is just thinking that Krishna is a coward boy, simple coward boy. So?
And the residents of Vrindavan are seen as a simple coward
Yes.
boy, and Indra is seen the same way. So one is negative and one is positive, but both are Navila Shakti, pastime potency.
Yes. Otherwise Krishna want to enjoy the pastimes. Krishna, सकल जगत मरे करे विधि भक्ति ब्रजभाव पाइते नहीं शक्ति. Just like Krishna Kaviraj Goswami telling, Krishna wanted to enjoy some intimate relationships with from his devotees, as he always remains as Bhagavan, as Supreme Personality Godhead, then there will be awe and reverence. So Krishna did not like that. Everyone, what this? Everyone is giving him so much respect, they are worshipping him in opulence. So Krishna wanted little more close. Then this is called Raga Bhakti.
So can we say that Indra's unfavorability is favorable in a way?
This is favorable?
The Indra's consciousness is not favorable,
Yes.
but it's favorable for Krishna.
Krishna, yes. So any other question? Comment? Hare Krishna. Okay. Yes. Why?
Why Agastya Muni drank all the water?
There's big story. One time he was invited by Lord Shiva, Shiva and Parvati, for a feast, for a prasad. And after eating prasad, they want water. And whatever water they supply, he drink everything. He have more. Even they supply the whole ocean water, he drink everything. Still he feels thirsty. Could not satisfy him. So finally they remember Vishnu, so Lord Vishnu came over. He pacified. Agastya Muni told, okay, time will come, you will drink. I will supply so much water for your drinking. You will be fully satisfied. So it is mentioned in Purana that this is the opportunity when Indra was just raining, so heavy raining by Samvartak cloud, so much water. So Krishna arranged, he called Agastya Muni, now come and drink as much as water you like. So anyhow, Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki